What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this fluffy twist out using just a mousse. And I know that I said in some previous videos that I wanted to try to incorporate some more mousses into my regimen. And if you remember, during Black Friday, I purchased a few mousses for that purpose. So in this video, I'm going to be using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse to achieve this twist out that I have here. And I actually use the matching leave-in to go with it. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching.
Before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind, 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 changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that code? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering his feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't reach. Changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we point we can't reach.
Okay guys, I'm back and I'm about to take out these twists. So yeah.
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you. Hey, all the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. I've been worrying about my mental health, cause when I'm alone, I keep checking my phone, yeah. Seeing all these people, having someone to lean on, while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
Okay guys, so this is my hair taken down. So I will say, I don't know if you could tell by the look on my face, but I will say that it's not my best twist out by far. It's not my best twist out. So don't necessarily care for these two together. I don't feel like this leave-in gives enough moisture, and I think that is what my issue is that there's just not enough moisture in my hair. Although my hair feels very soft to the touch, it just looks frizzy. It has frizz everywhere, and you guys know I don't mind frizz. However, this is, yeah, a little excessive. And I think it looks like that because most of the frizz is, well, no, it's all the way through. I was going to say most of the frizz is on the ends, but it's actually all the way through the strand. I even sat under the dryer after I twisted my hair. I sat under my dryer for a while to try to start drying the twist because I kind of wanted to take them out the next day, which would have been yesterday. But some things that I needed to do fell through. So I was like, well, no need for me to take my hair out. So I went on and left the twist up until today. So they had even an extra day to dry, and they still, you know, came out frizzy like this. I do have some definition. I'm not gonna lie. I do have a little definition, but there's tons of frizz, and because it is a mousse, the twist out is so soft, I just don't know how long it's gonna last, especially once I get out into the elements. So yeah, did get me through today. I am going to try to retwist it tonight and see if I can get rid of a little bit of this frizz, just to see if I can salvage this twist out. And if I do, and if I can, I will try to come back on day 3 and tell you what I did, what I used, if I used anything. I just don't know if I am going to use, I feel like I need to use something to kind of tame the frizz, but I don't want to get build up. I mean, I like the bigness and the fluffiness of it, considering that I didn't even pick it and I still have some volume. So, but I'll let you know on day 3 what I use, if anything, show you how my hair looked on day 3, if I can salvage it. This is day 1. If I can't salvage it, then this is it, and you guys have to make your decision based on how my hair looks right now. So anyway, my hair is a twist out using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Leave-In Conditioner, which looks like this, and the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. Yeah, I just don't think this has enough moisture. I will say, before you ask, when I started taking my hair down, I saw that it was frizzy. I did go in with the Nature's Little Secret Herbal Scalp Oil, put a little bit in my hands, put it on my hands to take down the rest of my twist. So you guys wouldn't come in, well, you need to put some oil on your hair, on your hands to take down your twist. That'll help with the frizz. I did that. It did not help with the frizz. So yeah, this is it, guys. I'm gonna turn around and let you see the back. Now remember, I didn't pick it, so. I don't know how it looks in the back because I didn't pick it. So and I do feel like I still have some clumps back here that I could separate. But I tried to leave some things clumped together just to make it not look so frizzy all over and have some definition and some frizz. So if you see clumps in the back, that is why. But yeah, guys, this is it. So tell me what you think about this combo in the comment section below. Let me know if you've tried the mousse with something else. I have tried this with another leave-in for a twist out. It was a subscriber combo, and I liked it. It worked with that leave-in, so that's why I know that this does work. I've used it before where it worked. I'm just not sure where I went wrong this time. So anyway, coming back real quick to show you day 3 hair. So my hair has held up. Want to go ahead and talk about something that I mentioned in a previous clip, and I said I didn't think that the leave-in had enough moisture. I will say that I have not had to re-moisturize my hair since I did it. So knowing that my hair is still feeling pretty moisturized on day 3, I would say that leave-in did what it was supposed to do. Do I feel like I would re-moisturize if I kept this a few more days? I probably would. There is still a lot of frizz. I did retwist it every night, which I don't normally do, but I was trying to see if I could get rid of the frizz on the ends, and it's okay. Like I said, it doesn't look bad. It actually looks pretty good. I actually could wear my hair out today if I wanted to, but I'm not really going anywhere today. I am going somewhere tomorrow, so I am going to go ahead and wash my hair today. But as you can see, it has held up. It still has, you know, my regular hair color. It's starting to get a little bit duller, a little bit more dry looking, but I think that's with the frizz coming along. But other than that, it's okay. It does have a little bit of stickiness, not sticky, but I can feel a coating on my hands a little bit, but I think I used too much mousse. And this time I did my twist a little bit smaller than I did last time, and I used 1 to 2 pumps of mousse this time, where last time I had bigger twists and I only used 1 pump and it was okay, but I had a creamier leave-in then, so I didn't feel like I needed as much mousse. So I think I probably went a little heavy on the mousse this time. So if you don't want to feel that coated feeling, I would say, you know, 1 pump of mousse is probably going to be plenty. But yeah, guys, that's it. I just wanted to get on here real quick, show you my 3rd day hair, let you see how it held up without being re-moisturized. So I do like the Design Essential Mousse, but I probably still would not put the leave-in and the mousse together because it's not my favorite combination. I think I like the previous combination I did better, where I used the Camille Rose coconut water leave-in with the Design Essential Mousse. That was a really good combination, so I probably will stick with that one. But I did want to at least come back and let you see and let you make the determination. If you need a lighter leave-in, definitely try to pick up the Design Essentials. Want something a little heavier, a little bit more moisturizing, then I would say go with the Camille Rose Coconut Water or another one of your favorite leave-in. So yeah guys, that's it for my third day here. Now back to the video time. So anyway, yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.